In this module, I want to share how you can calculate the extra solar incentives and put it into your solar software so you can lower the monthly cost of solar. Okay? It's first you calculate the extra solar incentive, then you have to go to your favorite solar software program and you have to override the solar incentive button. And sometimes you can ask the solar software company to add in an additional line item and make it solar tax max, and you can toggle on and off the extra solar incentives, because a lot of homeowners are not going to get all this money back in the first year. So it's helpful to share with them, look, here's your extra solar incentives. You're not going to get all that money back in the first year, but when you do get all that money back and apply it to the loan, you will have this low monthly payment, which is well below where you would be without solar tax max. Now here you have a few choices. You can either increase your profits, you can add in a whole bunch of adders that you've been stripping out of the plan, like solar insure and black skirts and other incentives that other adders that you have been taking out because solar is just so expensive right now with the interest rates and dealer fees. You can afford to add those back into the plan.